Guys bail out of a truck off the road and just start shooting. I see does and bucks and everything else running across this field, and they're just taking shots off the road at them. Oh, that's irritating. Well, we didn't have any luck tonight. We saw a few does, but they were all yearlings. So, nothing to report. Well, it's the 17th of November. We are back at it. We've only been out a couple times this rifle season. We've got 2 doe tags, and I've got some footage of the last couple times I've been out, but we haven't had any luck. We're kind of running out of time here. It's about the middle of the week, but anyway, we're gonna try and get out. The wind's blowing a little bit today. It's about 25 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour, and hopefully it's gonna calm down tonight, give us a better chance of seeing something. But so I don't have my camera. My camera is in bad shape, so my regular camera, so I'm having to use my phone. So with the wind and stuff today, we may not have a lot of audio, but hopefully if we get something, I can get out of the wind enough to kind of give you some rundown of what happened in the whole process. So anyway, stick with us. We're going to grab some gas here, and then we're going to head down into the valleys that we usually get our does out of. So hopefully we get it done today. Join me. Well, I think we're ready to get out there, and got a couple of gut piles here in this area anyway, but they've been here a while, so probably opening weekend. Like the modern mountain man look. Yeah, I love this hat though. This thing's warm. It's about 60 degrees today, so it's plenty warm. We've got a full moon this week, and that's probably a lot to do with some of that not seeing deer either. So I don't know. There's probably a combination of stuff going on here, so just gonna have to feel it out and hope for the best. But like I said, we're gonna go down and hit a couple spots, see if we can get in. If we can, we'll just kick back and enjoy the day. So we'll see you down there. It's really warm today. It's not ideal conditions, but we've never seem to have those in Nebraska anyway.
not sure how to play this now. Would have been a hell of a poke there. One I wasn't ready for. Let's sit right here. Maybe something else will come through. Down in that bottom. Thought maybe we'd get lucky and catch something coming across the thicket, but I don't think we're going to. All right, well, guess we're done for the day. This evening, we'll hopefully pick up tomorrow morning. Find something new. Well, we got her done here at the last minutes of the last day. We got a young doe here, and she's not a big girl, but there's not a lot of them this year. Not a lot of them. There's a lot of small ones, and have not seen adults. So I don't know if they're just sitting tight or what the deal is, but we just have not seen the adults. So, but this girl, and she had another one that came across about 280 yards, and they were on a run. And I stopped them and fired off a couple rounds and missed. I don't even know where I was hitting, if I was even close, but they're pretty small. So it was at 200, 300 yards. It was a pretty tough shot. But anyway, they came up on top of this hill and decided that they were going to come back. And I was sitting back over here on the hill, and they actually ran down into this little finger bottom and then back up here, and I put it right in her face. So got her right here in the neck. So it was a quick, humane kill. She didn't suffer at all. Looks like the heart exploded by the looks of her face. So happy with that. Happy we could get it done quick and painless as possible. We'll have a little bit of meat in the freezer, but we still got one more doe tag, and then we've got our archery tag, and we're probably going to get a muzzleloader tag. I think I'm going to kind of see what kind of deer numbers are this year after the rifle gets done. See if we start seeing some of them bigger deer during the winter months, but it's been really tough. There hasn't been a lot of shooting going on and a lot of killing. And the deer that I have seen in trucks are really small. So, yep, there's a lot of yearlings out there. But this is one of the tags that we had this year for does here in this area. They only gave 200 out, and I've got 2 of them, so we can use them at any time of the season. Season's choice, basically. So, yeah, we've got a doe here. We'll just see if we can't get her out of here after we get her. So, anyway, thanks for watching Public Sci Outdoors. We'll catch you on the next video, the next hunt. We've got some coyote hunting coming up here. So So keep your eyes peeled for that. Hopefully that we should have a good season, it sounds like, for coyotes this year. So anyway, thanks for watching Public's Eye Outdoors. Stay safe out there in your hunts, everybody. There she is. There she is.